concept art is taking someone's idea for a universe or a prop or a character and turning it into a visual image.
It's problem solving for art. Use concept art to help visualize the ideas of others and also help them visualize what they are trying to achieve.
Concept art is to provide visual solution to client requirements. You use the visual image to present the cinematic environment or amazing characters for the video games or movies.
I've always been asked what is concept art. The way I like to see it is that I see it as we are working as engineers for images.
What really caught my eye with MAGES was the chance to be taught by a lot of industry professionals and learn from them directly.
MAGES Institute has a lot of professional lecturers and they work in the entertainment industry, and some of them work for famous companies like Ubisoft, and some of them work for AAA games. So I want to learn from the best.
Learning from professionals, I'd say it's great. You get a lot of good feedback and a lot of insight into how the industry works.
Learning from professionals that still work in the industry, for me, I feel it's very interesting and enriching because we get to hear all the different kinds of experiences that they have encountered, as well as we can prepare ourselves to know what to expect in the industry in future.
Well, I'd like to say the learning progress of Blender. Blender is a software that I use to create 3D models. Actually, I didn't feel anything until one day I suddenly realized I can create a super cool robot under the Star Wars theme. I was like, I can really do some cool stuff. And I still remember at the very beginning, I was struggling even turning the cube.
The most memorable part of the program for me would definitely be the frustrations phase, because I have a habit of challenging myself, but in the middle I'll end up second guessing myself. But ultimately I feel that it's all very worth it after seeing the results, because I feel like I finally achieved what I wanted.
Future students' pain is fun. The suffering is part of the journey where if you don't suffer, you kind of really don't learn about what you can do in the future.
For future students, I would say if your artwork looks bad or if you think it looks terrible while you're working on it, it's going to look terrible sometimes. Just keep working on it and you'll figure out how to solve a lot of problems through doing that, and it'll look great in the end.
I'm super happy to have you join us on this journey of learning concept art.